I think I'm on the right track. I've puffed and panted my way up. It's quite a steep hill path, which was what I was looking for, but blocked again the recent storms. Brought these trees down. This one's completely snapped in half. I've got a merino top under this, and although there was ice down there, it was really warm. That's a good thing about these tops. You just open the vents and let the steam out. From what I can see on the track, it seems to be well used by mountain bikers. Well, not many walkers, just the odd one. What a great view you get from this wee bench. Just a bit damp to sit on, but absolutely great. Anyway, I'm just going to head up this track here, up to an old Slate quarry, and if this wee house looks familiar, it features on the front of the front cover, I should say, of an OS map, number 57, the 150,000 I think it is, and there used to be a whole settlement here. Ooh, it's like a skating rink. Well, there's nothing left here now, but when I was a boy, I think it was 1970, there was accommodation here, which was actually converted stables, and I was a member of the boys brigade, and the older guys had converted these stables, they'd put in bunk beds made out of old breadboards. There was an open fire in it, and it was the first time I'd ever been away from the city. This was just a wonderful spot. But 1970, 1975, this was a scene from a Monty Python film, Tim the Enchanters, and it was just up there. And I'm just going to head up there in a wee minute. Not one, but two. Well, I'll not be going this way. There you go, something to eat. It's a great wee spot for doing some spotting and cooking.